Hey guys, what is up? It is Cameron, and today I'm going to show you guys how to restore your dirty, yucky headlights to something more clean and crisp using Rust-Oleum paint thinner. If you guys are new viewers of the channel, be sure to subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So because you guys will be working with paint thinner, it is important that you guys get yourselves a pair of gloves. You don't want to get this stuff on your hands for a long period of time. Keep in mind that this stuff isn't dangerous if it's on the outside of your body, but it's just a safety precaution that you guys can take, you should take for yourselves. So you guys have a visual difference between this side and this side. You guys can see there's so much calcium buildup on the outside of this headlight. It's pretty atrocious, and it's not like this is just dirt. It won't just wipe off. So we need to get it off. We're going to get it off using some acetone mineral spirit formula or paint thinner. I did do one coat on this side already, and it's not all the way done, but it's looking way better than this other side. You guys can see the difference is substantial. I got my glove on. I'm going to just take this rag. I only use one rag for one chemical, so this is the only rag that I'll be using for this chemical. I'm just going to put it right here. Dab a little bit on there. Get started to do everything in circular motions, starting from the center of the headlight and working your way out to the top. This top area, you can do a little line, but you want to keep a circular motion across the board. For maximum results, you will want to repeat this process quite a few times, as your calcium buildup may be substantial, as it was over here. See, this side's not all the way done. It will still need a couple more coats, if you will. But you guys can see the calcium buildup's already coming off. It's just dropping off the headlight. Okay guys, so the last step to obviously restoring headlights is just wiping the residue off. I prefer using a wet rag. This one isn't the cleanest, but it is wet, and everything should just pretty much come off. And I'll dry these right afterwards. I'm gonna have to do some more work on this bottom one. It didn't take the treatment fairly well. Didn't take the treatment very well, so I will have to do some more work on this bottom one.